Okay, Min, I want you to answer this. Answer the questions about Paul. Okay, so you're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 words. Okay, or in short, make a sentence to answer this. Go, Min. These are just your own answer.
Oh, yes. Two, what is the matter with him?
Oh, you're
He,
right. You're right, you Edson.
I, he is the hurt in his arm. Oh, how did he do that? No. 2. What is the matter with him? He is hurt in his arm. What? How did he do that? He fell down the stairs. What is Paul dreaming about? Paul dreaming of the day he can go back to school. What is his book about? His book about the fairy tales. What does he want to do when he's okay again? He wants to go to school when he's okay again.
Okay, let's check now your answer. Number 2. What is the matter with him? The correct answer is... Okay, for a while. Okay, so as you can see, Paul in the picture got hurt. So he is hurt in his arm. He is hurt in his arm, correct? Yeah, because as you can see in the picture, there is something in his hand. Number 3, how did he do that? Oh, what do you think is the answer? Why did he hurt his arm? So maybe he fell on the
Down.
stairs. Correct. What's Donna stairs? He fell on the stairs. It could be. That's correct, man. Number 4. What is Paul dreaming about? So as you can see, Paul is sleeping. And maybe Paul is dreaming. And you think Paul is dreaming of the day he can go back to school. Oh, very good. So maybe he's dreaming, when will I be okay? He's dreaming that he's already in school, or maybe he's dreaming that he's now okay from his illness, or maybe he's playing with friends. Many things. Now here, what is his book about? Your answer is his book about. Say, his book is about. Say, his book is about fairy tales. We don't know if it's correct. Or it could be book from the school. Okay, just like English, math, or other subject. Next, number 6. What does he want to do when he's okay again? So here, man, your answer is he wants, not he want, man, but he wants. There's S. He wants to go to school when he's okay again. Oh, maybe. Very good, man. Congratulations, man. You got correct answer. So here, you just have to be careful a little with your grammar because there is some mistakes with your grammar. So you have to be careful with that. But your answers are all correct. And you were able to share your thoughts about this. So these answers here are just opinion, okay? It's just your own answers. All right. So Min-An, we finished already the unit 18, no, unit 19 for today's class. All right, Min. So I think that's all for today. We will have unit 20 on Monday, okay? All right,
Yes.
Min. So Min, goodbye for now. See you next time, Min-An. Goodbye.
My teacher.
Yeah, goodbye.
Me.